this is Mumay and welcome to my channel. Tinutawanan niya ako kasi may pa-welcome ako. Yan, so today is June 15, Monday. Second session niya sa Chiro. Second schedule niya. So, ayun nga. So, kagabi, masarap daw yung tulog niya. And, ayun, ginawa niya yung pinagagawa sa kanya mga icing. And, pagising niya kayo ng umaga, nag-walking siya. Naka 1 hour din siya ng walk. Tapos, yun. So, okay naman yung pakiramdam daw niya, sabi niya. Case niya is, feeling ko alam ko na yung case mo ngayon. Nasa dulo ng dila ko eh. Hindi ko masabi.
Pencil case?
Hindi. Ayan. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng JLT para dun sa Chiro niya. So, kita-kita tayo ulit mamaya. Okay? Pakita namin ulit sa inyo kung paano yung ginagawa. And, yun na, sabi kahapon, bigyan siya ng mga physical exercises para sa buto. Para mag-loosen up yung mga fluids daw niya sa spine. Oh. Correct? Welcome sila sa
Hi. Second day ng last
Bakit ako muna? Hi! Ayan, so inaantay na lang natin yung kanyang doctor.
One eternity later.
Agay mo lang ako sa sabihin mo na sa akin pero malakas siya. I-ano lang natin yung muscles sa spine. I-release natin. Para sa yung sa akin. Sabihin mo na sa akin.
매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher.
Ready ka na?
Wala kang ibang choice, di ba?
Ha?
Wala mo ko ibang choice, di ba? Pagpunta niya dito, hindi na tumanggi ako. Sarap ng ginawa niya. Parang na-loosen up yung mga stiff na muscles ko.
Oo.
Di ba dati nung sabi ko siya yung ganyan position? Ito, sobrang naglalab, tapos sobrang masakit. Ngayon wala.
Yeah, how are you?
We're doing take 11.
No crying.
So, how do you go from last time?
I'm so much better.
Yeah.
Like the pain is gone, like probably like 50% of the pain is gone.
Good.
And at this position, I'm feeling no numbness at all. It's like very little
Right.
on my arm. And I slept well, I think.
I think.
I woke up early. I did some walking for like an hour.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's like in the
Perfect.
morning. So after that, I feel so much relief. And,
Yeah. it's going to be like a snowball effect, because the better you feel and the better your joints move, the more you will move and the better it will get.
Yeah. It's like my body's wanting to just like constant more of the movement.
That's what's going. Let's get you adjusted.
Okay, so
Wait time. Yep.
face up.
Just shut up and lie down. Which one you want? Chatting ones.
Doc, me and Ate Giselle, we were working with Dr.Oak on like this job.
Yeah. That. Okay. Deep breath. And all the way out. Relax your shoulders. Once more.
못나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐
This last game.
Yeah, you're a quick.
못나니 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 못나니
Now, look straight up. Check. Yeah, that's it.
못나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah.
Okay, relax your shoulders. A little bit more on this side.
못나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 yeah.
Thanks, Doc.
See you next
Thank
time.
you, Doctor.
Thank you so much.
Alright. Kamusta po?
Natatakot na ako.
Okay po. So bro, ang sinasabi ni Dr. Oak is we need to do this very basic span and hygiene exercises. Again, with your current level of activity, it's very, very easy. Pero ang key here is, hindi kasi siya resistance exercises, so kailangan natin siya gawin every day. And the more we do it, the better, para mag-benefit tayo. Pero sasendan po namin kayo ng video link para ma-review niyo yung exercises just in case.
Okay.
Pero kailangan ko lang makita kung paano niyo po muna gawin dito.
Okay.
Very basic lang po. So tatlo sa...
Personal trainer ako ngayon.
Pero very, very basic lang po ito. As in super basic. So 3 for the head. So ang planes of motion natin, yes, no, maybe. So just put your arms up, make sure that your body's straight, and then move your head up and down, down. As simple as that. All the way up and all the way down. Continue. Up, 3, down, 4, up, 5, there you go, and down. 6. So ganun yung counting. And then all exercises, 20 counts. So 10 up, 10 down, and the rest po. So ganun lagi ang counting natin. Next is the no part. So look lang side, like side, avoid tilting your head. So focus dun sa rotation. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, 20 counts. And lastly is yung maybe motion. So imagine there's a line in front of your nose. So your nose shouldn't go far away from the line. So instead of doing this, just do this. Yes. So
Okay, so ganun lang.
yes. So continue. So yeah, medyo limited kayo on that part. Pero eventually, pag nag-gusto na, mas maging more mobile kayo.
So 10 reps.
So yeah, so 20 counts siya. Bali 10 reps siya on each side, so 20 counts siya. Okay. So again, yes, no, maybe yung susunod natin na motion. Now, stand up po.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 기분은 higher Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah, 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, more money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money
Yo.
Samahan ko muna si Doc. Medyo rock and roll kami ngayon. Ha? Salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
If
Thank
you have
you, Jay,
concerns
na.
po, sabihin ko po sila sa harap, ha?
Pupunta na ba kami doon?
Yes po,
Sige,
yes po.
sige. We are done with the second session. So, babalik siya sa Wednesday for the third session. So, ang ginawa lang sa kanya, nag-physio siya. Then, binigyan siya ng mga exercises na kailangan niyang gawin. And after nun, yun na yung chiro session niya na with the doctor. So, kailan ang balik mo?
Pag may pera na.
Nakala ko Wednesday. Pero okay na yung insurance, no?
Oo.
So, nakausap na ng insurance. Pero, yun. We'll see kung anong pwedeng mangyari pa. Then, kamusta naman ang ano mo? Yung physio, kamusta?
Sarap, okay siya.
Physio?
Yung physio, na-loosen up yung mga muscles na tight along the spine. Pero, yun yung second adjustment ko is, sobrang na-relieve yung pain. So, okay siya. Parang na rin siguro, kakaiga tayo. So, kailangan ma-check din natin talaga, maging aware tayo kung ano yung mga dapat nating gawin, saka iwasan like yung mga intense na activities or sports. Maganda siguro ma-check muna tayo para hindi grumabe, gaya na nangyari sa akin, napabayaan. So bigla na siyang puputok one day na yun na pala, may sakit ka na may iindahin ka na medyo matagal yung treatment. Kaya yun, ingat lagi.
Tayo na lang dalawa Tayo na lang magsama
Okay na.
Okay, tara na.
Teka lang, saan mo ako pakakainin? Yun ang tanong.
Sa Taza, kakain tayo sa
Yay!
Taza.
Kakain kami sa Taza. My favorite. Bye! Gusto niya makita yung mamaya. Papakita ko. Tatry ko mamaya mag-video. Okay? Bye-bye!